Andito kami lahat, mga groomsmen. Magbibigay lang po kami ng konting speech para po sa ating newlywed. So, isang palakpak naman dyan, pang confidence lang. Okay. So first off, we'd like to congratulate the newlyweds. And may kasabihan nga po tayo, no? Sabi daw, birds of the same feather flock together. Pero I kind of disagree on that kasi tingnan nyo naman kami, di ba? Iba-iba, chan pa lang. Tinalo lang kami ni Jovic. Alright, kidding aside, we would like to, I personally would like to give a parting message to Jovic and Mavin. Jovic, now that you are now a newlywed, and congratulations again for this new chapter of your lives, Mavin. Now you need to start sacrificing, you know? You need to sacrifice your time, of course, because you need to spend every moment of it, especially with Mavin. And you need to sacrifice yourself, of course, kasi now, may kasama ka na. Pero yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, Jovic, you need to sacrifice your finances, meaning to say, your wallet. All right. So, there you go. That's it for me. I will now pass the mic. Congratulations again, Mavin, Jovic.
Hi, good evening everyone. First of all, maiksi na lang yung ibibigay kong speech kasi maliit na lang yung time. So, Marvin and Jov, congratulations. We're happy that we're part of this celebration. May the Lord bless this union of yours sa inyong dalawa. So, again, congratulations. We love you both.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ako nga pala si Kim. Jovic, Mavin, congratulations. And pahabol ko na rin, happy birthday kay Papa Jov. So ayun, halos 10 years mahigit kayong magjowa. Wow, tagal nun ha. So finally here, you had just tied the knot. And you are now Mr. and Mrs. Abideos, a new chapter in your life. And I can't express enough on how I'm happy for you guys. So, ayun, congratulations. Kay Chester na po. Ay, kay Mark.
Siguro, masasabi ko lang sa ilang taon namin magtuturuan kung sino mauna sa amin kasal, may nanalo na. And isa lang sabihin ko sa'yo, wag na wag kang hihindi sa lahat ng sasabihin ni Marvin kung kayong mag-away kayo. And that's all. Congratulations.
Jov, Marvin, this is for you. You know you will encounter conflicting needs or not be able to meet each other's needs in all moments or seasons. There will be times that you will not see things the same way and you will have to navigate through difficulties. I'm pretty sure that you will trigger the crap out of each other. Hence, the need for both of you to be able to manage disappointments. But always, always keep in mind that you chose to be one unit and make life decisions together. And we're here for you, for the both of you. You are best friends. You are best friends and each other's biggest cheerleader. To be married, you must be able to embrace the good and the hard. Be resilient, just like Ivatans. We are Ivatans, bro. I wish you a lifetime of love and happiness. Your wedding day will come and go, but may your love last forever. Enjoy every bit of a wonderful journey as you build your new lives together. God bless you, and may your years ahead be filled with lasting joy. Cheers, brother. Cheers, Marvin. We love you.
Alam mo, pagkakataon mo na, tanong mo na lahat ng gusto mong sabihin, sasabihin ko. Pero yan, guys, I wish you a happy and healthy marriage along the way. And I'm looking forward, kung silver man yan, gold, ano pa ba, diamond. Start nung first ko kayong nakita doon sa Caspo. Alam mo yung iskinita na hapon yun, pauwi na ako. First time ko kayong nakita and yun, tinanong ko and The rest is Philippine history. So, good job. Masaya ako na nakikita ko kayo dito ngayon. And I hope magkaroon na kayo ng kid. Or should I say, kids. So, meron na kaming pupuntahan sa inyo. Alam mo, itong nahihiya pa sila eh. So, anyway, ayoko nang pahabain to. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Happy Valentine's. Sana masaya ang birthday mo mamayang gabi. Sabi nila, cheers daw eh. So, cheers, Mavic and Joven. Cheers!
So raise your glass if you
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay